morning. We are at the Delhi airport right now. We've checked in and we're just waiting for the flight time and probably gonna go get some coffee. Exciting! It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Look what he's wearing. It says Maa Ka Ladla because he is. We have reached Goa and it is so beautiful. The lanes are so cute and tiny and oh, there's so much greenery around and we can just see the sea. It's beautiful. Aravir behaved perfectly in the flight. He slept most of the time, so it was brilliant. When he woke up, it was like the last 20-25 minutes of the flight and he played during that. And honestly, I was a little worried about how he will behave, but he was like perfect. Look at that. We're right next to the sea. Not those two people. Look at the sea, not the people. My mom and dad sent me a surprise cake and flowers and also lemon tree. Were kind enough to give me another bouquet. This is so exciting! Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We just came. Yes, Aravir, you want to vlog? Ah. We just came back from a walk and walked in with our bed like this. They made it and it looks so cute. And they also left a little tiny note. How sweet is that? Now can I speak? Today has been weird. It started off with highs and lows. I don't think I told you guys what happened, but there was a little family emergency last night and a trip to Goa could have been cancelled, but things got better and we were able to come, so that's amazing. Yay. So my birthday kind of started off with a low, but ending up with a high because we had a lot of fun. We had like not really a lot of fun, but we had a very relaxing day, and that is kind of something that I needed. Stop pulling my hair, baby. Stop it, no. Stop it, no, please. 1 second. Yeah, so we kind of had a relaxing day, which was basically the kind of birthday I wanted this time, just relaxing and chilling out. So we left in the morning for Goa. Babu, stop pulling my hair. Okay, he's gone to his father. So the day was, it was interesting. It was good. It was a good birthday. The best part about it is that it's not over, even though the birthday is over, but we're still in Goa and we're going to go to the beach tomorrow. We didn't have an opportunity to go to the beach. When we kind of reached our hotel, me and husband were both a little tired, so we wanted to sleep, and not really sleep, we just wanted to rest, but Aravi wanted to play that time, so we were trying to get him to sleep, but that didn't happen. So when we were ready to go, Arivir wanted to sleep. So he slept. And then we couldn't go anywhere. So we just chilled around in the hotel, had a wonderful dinner. My mom and dad surprised me with cakes and flowers. That was lovely. The cake was amazing. And yeah, that's it. We had lovely dinner. The ice cream was really, really yummy. Chocolate ice cream. The dal was very, very nice. And it was just a very nice birthday. A very unexpected birthday, but a very nice birthday. And I can't wait to go to the beach tomorrow also. Oh, exciting thing. While coming back from the hotel restaurant, they also have like a kiddie pool. So we were just relaxing near the pool, and my husband decided to put Aravi's feet in the kiddie pool for a little while. And we did that, and he was so happy. He was so happy. He was splashing the water. He was trying to kind of run in the water. It was just so amazing. I wanted to like... First I thought, let me just put this in video and let me just take out my camera. But whenever I kind of try to record things, then I stop kind of looking. I start looking through the camera. So I don't know if that makes sense, but if it makes sense, it's just the memory doesn't get formed. So I just wanted to enjoy the moment, which I did. But tomorrow I'll get it on camera because memories don't really last that long. Videos last longer. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. We have just woken up and now I'm gonna go and take a bath and then we'll go down for breakfast and then the beach. Are you excited for the beach? Are you excited for the beach? He's so excited for the beach. Good morning. We just had some really yummy breakfast and now we are off to the beach. Yeah, are you excited? Are you excited? How excited is he? And look at his cap. How cute is his cap? I have this new hairstyle going up with like a half bun. I am not so sure if I like it. I don't know. You guys tell me. Does this look okay? Can you see it? Does this look okay? How cool is this? The waves are really, really high and fast. So we're unsure if we'll get Aravi to go down, but it is so beautiful. Did you like it? You confused? You confused? You want to go up?
Aravi.
No reaction. Crow just flew away. The crow is so cute. The minute water comes near his feet, he hops away. And this time, since the wave was a little too strong from him, he flew away. But that crow is a cutie. Isn't he a cutie? We're having fun at the beach. Aravi was a little tiny bit scared of the water, basically because he just cannot understand what is happening, and it's a little cold, so we're not really letting him sit down and everything. Stop pulling my hair. We're not letting him sit down completely, just wetting his feet a little bit, but it's fun. The tide is really, really high and it's amazing. We're staying at the Lemon Tree Goa and it is so beautiful. I love the whole look. It's a very Mediterranean look. The stairs are very nice. The best thing that I found about this hotel is that they have employed a lot of deaf and dumb people, which is brilliant because that means that's employment for them, which never happens. Like you hardly, I think Costa is the only restaurant that I've seen like deaf and dumb people work. Otherwise, I've never really seen them working anywhere, and I guess the problem is that they don't get an opportunity, and Lemon Tree has them, and that's brilliant. It's not just like one person. I have encountered 2 people already and I've just been here one day, so I'm sure there are more. Kudos to them, seriously, it's brilliant. And also the one thing that I love about this hotel right now is that the beach is very close, okay? Like 5-star properties, they have private beaches, right? This is, I think, 4-star. This is 4-star, 3-star. This is 4-star. This is 4-star, and the rates are not that high. It's not that high also because it's off season. But the best thing is the beach is walkable distance, okay? It's just that it's not like 100 meters, it's 250 meters. So you have to walk that extra 2 minutes. But, I mean, what more do you want? The prices are half that of the 5-star hotels and you have kind of a private beach. So, best thing ever. I've had a bit of an outfit change. We were earlier going to Fort Aguada, but then somebody told us it's going to be closed by the time we reach it. Plus, we're not getting a very good taxi at a good rate and things like that. So we were just walking around Goa, just walking on the roads of Goa, and then we were like, let's go to the beach. And I was wearing jeans, so not a very beachy outfit. So I got this dress from the streets of Goa. Look at the banyan tree. It's so huge. We finally reached Cinqueria Beach and it looks so nice, and the sunset and the fort and everything. I think this is one of the best beaches of Goa that I've been to so far. Ivy Beach, do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? He likes to see the beach, but we tried dipping his feet in the water. Didn't really like it. Good morning, you guys. Last night from Cinqueria Beach, we came back to the hotel. We had fun in the pool. This little guy, well, he didn't swim, but he did chop in the pool. And yeah, you did chop in the pool. It was so much fun. Now we're going down for dinner, and after that we're probably going to South Goa and look at old churches. And yeah, right now we're going to breakfast, but after that we're going to South Goa. We have just reached Old Goa and we are going to go and visit that church right now. There's also a museum nearby which we are going to next, and then we'll go to another church and then a mandir and probably a boat cruise. Not sure yet, but that's the plan. Just checking in. We just visited Church of Jesus. Basilica. We just visited Basilica of Bom Jesus and we went to a museum. I just wanted to tell you guys that although the pictures look very pretty of the weather and everything, it's super hot. Like super duper hot. So never believe a photo because I was just looking through my gallery and I saw that the weather looks awesome in the pictures, but in reality it's super hot. Okay, we are sweating bullets right now. And right now we are now going to a mandir, a Mahadev temple. This little boy is having some water, so that's happening. We are at another mandir, and look at how nice this is. Lighting is really bad. We have stopped on the way to Donapala in a mall. I couldn't catch the name of the mall. Just to have a spot of lunch. This little boy is having a banana. So that is what we are doing right now. We're going to go to Miramar and Donapala later, and then back to the hotel. We have just reached Miramar beach, and the minute we reached the beach, Harvey started removing his shirt for I don't know what reason. He's not going in the water, but on his own he's removing his t-shirt. Hey, Harvey, you want to walk? Walk, baby.
आ गया अरे And I thought Aquarium was beautiful. Look at this.
अरे वीर स्टेप वीडियो अरे वीर
वो पापा के ऊपर नहीं चढ़ना, सोफे पे चढ़ना। चलो ए आ जाओ। अरे वीर रुको, मेरे पापा को पकड़ने तो दो। आ जाओ अरे वीर, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। उधर नहीं आगे आ जाओ, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। थोड़ा पास आके पैर रखो बेटा। आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। अरे वीर ओ बेटा, अरे वाह। अरे वीर देखो उधर, मम्मा मम्मा वीडियो बना रही है।
Hi.
अरे वीर
Hi.
कर दो।
Hi, Kaldo. No, hi. Hi. 12:30 and we have it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. We have finished breakfast, finished packing, and we're just about to leave for the airport and back to Delhi. Yay! It's exciting going back, but it's also like the holiday's over, so. But yay!
कहाँ घूमी करके आया मेरा बेटा।